In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the ShoppingFeeder integration module. So the first thing we do is we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select modules. So here we proceed to choose the marketing and conversion category. So under here, we search for the ShoppingFeeder module. So this is it. So we go ahead and click on the edit button. So for us to set up this module, we need to provide the API keys. So to get these keys, we need to create a ShoppingFeeder merchant account. So to do that, we go ahead and click this. So when we click here, this will open the ShoppingFeeder registration page. So I'll go ahead and create a test account. We call this test user. We put the email. So we put a test phone number. So this is just a test phone number. So we add the password. All right, so once we enter this information, so here we proceed to add our store URL. So to get the store URL, we come back here. We copy this and paste it here. All right, so after we do that, we select this option and then click on the register button. So we wait for it to load. All right, so now that we have registered, you can see that the dashboard, we are now logged into the ShoppingFeeder dashboard. So we go ahead and proceed with the setup wizard. We click next here. So here I'll add my store name. So I call this test shop. So we've added, I'll leave all these other options as it is. So after we have set up the store name, so under the shopping cart platform here, so we select this, that's we select open cart 2.x. and then click on the next button. All right, so we wait for it to load. So in the next page, so here we can set up additional parameters for the ShoppingFeeder. So this is basically for the weight and other variants. So let's say we call this under description, we say this is a test store. So we proceed. So in this section, we'll now proceed to add the API keys. So you can see them here. So we copy the first one and then we add it here. For the secret key, we copy this and then we add it here. So once we add it, we proceed to save. All right, so now that we've saved, we go back to the ShoppingFeeder setup page and click on the next button. All right, so we can now proceed to check by clicking this button so that we can validate that the integration is working. So we click here. All right, so it means that it's working. So you can see we can now proceed to choose the channels that we want our product to show by ticking it here. So let's say we tick these two. and then we click on the next button. So here we can go ahead and set other parameters for each of the channels. So for the Google, all right. So we can adjust any of this. To learn more about each of the settings here, you highlight this help button. All right, so we can just leave it as it is and save. For the price check channel, we do the same thing. Remember, you can always check this, but we'll leave it. So now that we've set up the channels where our product will be posted, we click on the continue button. So we can go ahead and finish the setup by logging in, but I won't do that. So I click on the skip. All right, so now we finished the setup process, and then we click on the finish button. So we can always continue with the setup process by clicking this button, but let's go ahead and check the feed. So we can check, see the feeds we created earlier. So I proceed to exit the tour. So we go to the, let's check the category area. We exit this as well. All right. So we click on this button to sync the products. So we wait for it to finish. Let's go back to the dashboard while that is going on. All right, so that is done. So we check the channel management again. So these are the channels. You can see under offer, we select manage offer. So this is where we can see the product information. So you can see that our products have been imported. So they are now available in the ShoppingFeeder dashboard. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the ShoppingFeeder integration module. Thank you for watching.